Welcome to Hideaway Cove here in Poipu Beach. Our air-conditioned, single-story Royal Palm 2-bedroom, 2-bath is located at the back of our 2307 building. You can park in any of the 6 gravel parking places here in the front of the building. Take the sidewalk to the left of the parking area, continue straight along the side of the building, and turn right and go up the 3 steps onto your lanai. Your keys will be in a sealed envelope with your name on it in a box next to your front door. The lanai of the Royal Palm is unique in that it features a wonderful dining table with 4 chairs and a large umbrella for shade if you'd like it, a couple of easy chairs to sit and enjoy or read a book, as well as a stainless steel propane barbecue. For more information, please see our website at www.hideawaycove.com. Click on accommodations and rates, and at the top of the page you'll find a lot of useful information, including how far we are from the beach, shopping, and groceries, plus all the many amenities included in our vacation rentals. Scroll down for more detailed information on our single-story, air-conditioned Royal Palm 2-bedroom, 2-bath. You might also be interested in our air-conditioned Aloha 2-bedroom, 2-bath, as well as our air-conditioned Seabreeze 2-bedroom, 2-bath with ocean views and a private hot tub. Feel free to email us at info@hideawaycove.com or call on our toll-free line at 866-849-2426.